A great run there for the Jamaicans through to the final, finishing second in that heat. Of course, the men's 4x1 will come up a little bit later on. But looking back now to yesterday, as Shericka Jackson called it an honor to now be the fastest woman alive over 200 meters after copying her first ever global championship title in Eugene, Oregon on Thursday. As Jordan Fort now tells us from Eugene, Shelly Fraser-Pryce says her silver medal in the half-lap event is even more satisfying considering how difficult it was to double at the championship.
When Shericka Jackson crossed this line here at Hayward Field in the 200 meters on Thursday, she instantly rewrote the history books. The 28-year-old became the fastest living woman over 200 meters, clocking 21.45 seconds, just 11/100ths of a second off Florence Griffith Joyner's world record of 21.34 set in 1988.
I'm feeling great. I wanted to come out here and put on a show. And I did just that, the fastest woman alive, national record, and a personal best. I can't complain.
With the victory, Jackson becomes the fourth Jamaican to win the world 200-meter title, joining Merlene Ottey, who did it twice, Veronica Campbell-Brown, and Shelly Fraser-Pryce.
I just wanted to focus on my lane. I know Shelly's probably one of the best curve runners I know, so I know she was going to go out hard. So I wanted to go, run the curve as hard as possible. I know I'm strong, and I know I'm fast coming home, so I know eventually I'd probably catch her, but I never wanted to. I never wanted to be to catch her at the line. I just wanted to execute my best race possible, and I think I did that. A massive personal best, and I can't complain.
Shelly Fraser-Pryce won her second medal at these championships and the second ever world 200-meter medal, copying silver in a season's best 21.81 seconds.
Listen, I am tired. I'm not going to tell you a lie. I was really tired. I was fatigued, but mentally, and I wanted to come out here and have a good run. I've always said the 200 is my least favorite event, but it has always been an event that challenges me. And what would I be, if I didn't challenge myself at this championship? And I wasn't going to pull out, I wasn't going to allow fatigue to get the best of me. I just came out here, got lane 6, and I was like, all right, Shericka is behind me, and all the girls are behind me. So I had to get out like nobody's business, and I really tried my best this evening, and I'm really proud of that.
Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah finished 7th in 22.39. Earlier, Natoya Gould comfortably made progress to Friday's 800-meter semi-final after clocking 2 minutes 00.06 seconds to win her heat.
I'm feeling great, Just wanted to come out here today, make it past the first run because, this is the easiest one out of all three, so I have to ensure that I go there and just run just to qualify and not kill myself because tomorrow is going to be hot.
Adele Tracy ran her lifetime best 1 minute 59.20 seconds to finish third in her heat and also make progress to the semi-finals.
Yeah, really good. I just wanted to leave it all out there, make sure I ran through the line to qualify. And yeah, just focusing on that has obviously resulted in a PB, so really delighted with that.
Chris-Anne Gordon-Powell missed out on a place in the semis after finishing 5th in her heat in 2 minutes 01.91 seconds. And Jordan Scott finished 10th in the men's triple jump with a best effort of 16.42 meters.
Definitely wasn't the best. Had a little run-up issue that kind of got the better of me, and I mean it shows. Had the same issue a couple of weeks ago at Nationals and thought I didn't have to fix it, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. So I mean it's just back to the drawing board, getting ready for the Commonwealth Games in a couple of weeks.
Reporting from Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, site of the 2022 World Athletics Championships, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.